You join us here on the casting couch for part 5 of the G81 M3 touring programme. So Sam's been a good boy. He finished part 4
by 3.
by 3 o'clock. That was the deal. So he's got a nice ice cream as a treat. So part 5, a few little touches. We're kind of closing the end now of the M3 touring development car and process. So we've got a couple choice mods. One is the rear reflector covers. This is a part that, in fact, I designed from that very chair that you can't see out of shot from camera. So that is going to be a part we're going to put on. I'm looking forward to that, just taking the edge off the red reflectors. Fuel flap cover. We've also then got a horrible black piece of plastic in the center console that needs to be changed for a nice badged version. And we've also got an armrest in Alcantara suede. It's not necessarily what most people would go for, but I think it's going to be nice when you've got some of the orange and it's going to break it up. So nice little ending to the part 5 process. So crack on. The detailed bits and PPF later to come, but for the moment, finish your ice cream. Let's get on with the bits downstairs. And as I said, there might be a strawberry mivvy in for you next time.
Happy days.
Yes, on which note, I fancy one myself now.
Yeah.
Cheers.
So, as with all big builds, the devil is in the detail, and that's what we have here. Short, sharp video on the detail parts going on our G81. So we've kind of already given you a bit of a hint as to what's coming. Firstly, we've got the main missing item from the car. Not sure why they've excluded it from this G81, but there's a nice little M3 competition part that goes in the center console panel. So we'll swap that out. There will be a how-to video coming on that part because it's been subject to quite a lot of interest from our customers and our followers. So we'll do that for you guys. This one, which regularly features on any of our bigger builds, just a nice little finishing touch, carbon fibre fuel filler cap, quite straightforward, clean the part, lick and stick, away you go. Moving rearward further still, you've got our rear reflector blanks. Again, just a straightforward lick and stick, clean the part, clean the original part down. They stick on top of the original reflector. Always, as always, advise use of a hot air gun just to get the tape to go off. Should prevent them from ever coming off again. And then lastly, this big item here, which as you can see is an M Performance center console armrest lid. Delete as appropriate, whatever you wish to call that. I'm going to crack on, get these fitted. Tim's going to film me whilst I'm doing that, and hopefully just a nice little video for you guys to watch.
So we're now all wrapped up for part 5. All the little fiddly bits have been done outside and inside. So we're looking forward to part 6, which is PPF. So we're going to wrap up this video here, and we'll see you guys with some PPF on the front end shortly.